Hi guys! Here is how you can upload a WordPress plugin on WordPress.org. So we have already made our plugin ready. And this is a whole plugin file. Two things to consider: one is README. Make sure you follow the guidelines with README. The easiest thing is you can simply download it from any plugin and make it accordingly. And then have create an assets folder. In the assets folder, you can have banners, icon, and screenshots. Now, here is all the details on how you can do that. The default banner size is this. And the icon size is this. So this is the banner, and this is the icon. So you can have a bigger banner of this. And as well the normal banner. And in icon, you can use JPG, PNG, and SVG. And here are the sizes. So this is the size. And in screenshot, you need to name it as screenshot 1, and screenshot 2, and so on. And in the README file, have the name like this. Whereas, screenshot should be 1, 2, 3, 4. And all these images should come inside your assets folder. Rests are the plugin files. So after this is done, let me compile this as a zip file. So here the zip file. Then go to this link. You will have to log in and select the file. So here is it, and open. So you can see there are 317 plugins and reviews, so it can take up to 16 days. And agree on these terms. And here are other details, if you want to learn. And then simply click on Upload. So we have been given this slug by default. And if you want to change the slug, you can change it here. And now, you will have to wait till you hear from WordPress.org. So, after nearly 3 weeks, with lots of reviews, our plugin has finally been approved. It has been approved. And also, there were lots of changes. And we had to change this WP name to something else. Because that was trademarked. Anyway, so this is done. So, after this, you will receive this congratulations email. And you will receive another email, like what to do next. So here, you will also be given this SVN URL. Let me copy this. And we will be using the Tortoise SVN. So, if you do not have Tortoise SVN, kindly download Tortoise SVN. After this is done, now let me create a new folder. Open it. After installing Tortoise SVN, you'll find Tortoise SVN here. Click on Checkout. Now, in the URL, I'll simply paste our new one. And OK. OK. So here you will see this folders. And all of them are empty. As you can see. The tags, assets, trunk, everything is empty. Now in the assets folder. This is our plugin. Let me open the assets folder. And here are all the assets, as we discussed earlier. Let me copy this all. Let me paste it here. So, everything has been copied. Now in tags. Let me copy this plugin folder. Copy. And paste it on tags. Ctrl+V. Please rename your tags. Stable tag. Like we have 1.0.1. So do as per your required versions. This is our stable version. Also, in here, now you do not need to add the assets folder. So you can delete this. So this is my plugin. Let me open this. Let me select all, Ctrl+C. And in trunk, simply paste it, so it's all done. To recap, this is the folder. In the assets folder, I have all the relevant images and everything. icons and screenshots. In the tags. This is the stable version of our plugin, so whatever your plugin version is, and inside it are all the files without the asset folder. And in trunk, it's exactly copying the same, directly in the trunk folder. Now, after this is done, select all. Right-click, go to Ortus SVN, and click on Commit. Write about plugin updates. So this is done. And select all. Make sure everything is selected. And then, OK. And then, commit. This uploading may take some time. For the SVN login details, kindly check the emails. So this is done. OK. Now let's check if the plugin has been published or not. So this is the plugin URL. And yes, our plugin has been published. And you can see, everything is here. Anyway, please do check our improved website security plugin. Thank you very much.